Hello, friends. Welcome to today's English shadowing practice. For the next few minutes, you and I will practice English together. I will tell you a motivational story. Your task is simple. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Don't worry about mistakes. Just keep speaking. Ready? Let's begin. The motivational story. The Mountain Climber. I want to share with you the story of a young man. His dream was to climb the highest mountain. Everyone around him said it was impossible. They told him, "You are too weak." They told him, "You will never make it." But he believed in himself. Now, repeat with me. He believed in himself. Say it again. He believed in himself. That's good. The young man began his journey. At first, the climb was easy. The weather was good. The sun was shining. He felt strong. He felt confident. But as he went higher, the air became thin. The path became dangerous. His legs started to hurt. His heart was beating fast. Fear whispered to him, "Stop now. Go back. You can't do this." Repeat with me. Go back. You can't do this. Now repeat the answer. I can. I will. I must. That's how you should believe. Anything I can do. I will do. I must do. The young man kept climbing. Day after day, he fought against pain. Night after night, he fought against cold. He fell many times. He cried many times. But every time he fell, he stood up again. Every time he cried, he wiped his tears and moved on. Now, shadow this powerful line. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Say this after me. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Now say the full sentence after me. Fall 7 times, stand up 8. That's good. Now let's proceed. One day, after weeks of struggle, he finally reached the top. He stood on the highest peak. The wind was strong. The view was endless. He felt free. He felt alive. He shouted with all his strength, "I did it!" Repeat with me loudly. I did it! That's good. Again, once more. I did it! Once more. I did it! Now, listen carefully. The mountain was not only a place. The mountain was his dream. The mountain was his fear. The mountain was his challenge. And he conquered it. Shadow this truth. When you conquer yourself, you conquer everything. Say it again. When you conquer yourself, you conquer everything. Now, believe in this line. When you conquer yourself, you conquer everything. So, my friends, let's come to the lesson. What is the lesson of this story? This story is not only about the climber, it is about you. It is about me. Each of us has a mountain to climb. Maybe your mountain is learning English. Maybe your mountain is starting a new career. Maybe your mountain is believing in yourself. Whatever it is, don't give up. Repeat this line with me. Don't give up. Say it even stronger. Don't give up. The world may doubt you. People may laugh at you. The road will be hard, but remember this. Pain is temporary. Fear is temporary. failure is temporary, but victory lasts forever. Now shadow this. Victory lasts forever. Say it again. Victory lasts forever. So, my friends, keep climbing your mountain step by step, day by day. Fall but rise again. Cry but move again. Because one day you too will stand at the top. You too will shout, I did it. Repeat with me one last time. I did it. Again, I did it. Wonderful work today. You improved your fluency, you practiced your pronunciation, and you fill your heart with motivation. Remember, believe in yourself, climb your mountain, never give up. Never ever give up. Thank you for joining me today. See you in the next practice.